How to use Urban VPN for CapCut. Unlock every region in minute. So what Urban VPN does and what unblocking really means. IP masking. Urban VPN masks your real IP by routing you through a chosen country, unlocking region-specific catalog. Peer-to-peer network runs on shared P2P network and great for casual browsing, not high-security work. The CapCut goal: make CapCut think you're somewhere its feature and templates are available. Step by step, connect Urban VPN, then open CapCut. Install Urban VPN, pick a country and connect. Select your target country and connect. Your IP changes in seconds. Launch CapCut second. Always connect the VPN before opening CapCut for consistent region detection. Switch region freely on mobile and desktop. Quickly swap countries to explore different templates, libraries. The fastest wins. Region strategic for CapCut. Why this country's CapCut access varies by region and rollout. Netherlands and Germany are consistently reliable starting points. If template don't change, clear the app cache or update. Your account and app version can also block changes. So if it doesn't work, verify, fix, and know the limits. Verify success. Confirm CapCut loads a different template. Sets don't assume success just because your IP changed. Switch and retry. If sign in or export fails, switch server or protocol and reconnect before reopening CapCut. Know the limit. Urban VPN suites casual unblocking for privacy critical work. Consider a premium VPN instead. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys do enjoyed. If you have another question, consider submit the question below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible. And thank you, guys.